Suka o gadgets nga walang gamita. Tunganong ta, maglansya sa tanan mga sinina. Dagino ta, ang refaya pirmi abrisirado.
Magdagino ta, pahinumdum ka nimo.
Ikan sa sipalko.
Suka o gadgets nga walang gamita. Tunganong ta, maglansya sa tanan mga sinina. Dagino ta, atong power supply kulang kaayo.
Magkahiusa, pahinumdum ka nimo.
Ikan sa sipalko.
Sa panahon nga gamayra ang supply sa kuryente ug mahal ang pagpalit niini, magkahiusa. Dagino ta. Try consipalco.com for more. Pahinumdum ka nimo.
Ikan sa sipalko.
Yes, good afternoon. Again, this is Coach Merlin. Ang sport para sa kabataan, may hapon tanan na sa atong mga ka-online, ka-OBM, mga partners nato na atong kauban sa Zaka o tanan mga humanitarian groups, no? Again, we're very thankful for your hand-on-hand helping our people around Cagayan de Oro City and outside Cagayan de Oro City. Very thankful usab kita sa atong amahan sa syudad, si Mayor Oscar Moreno nga naningkamot in taon para tawag ani sugpo ni atong kuano kaning pandemya nato nga umabot na bang Pasko. So again, before going further, I'd like to greet everybody there a Merry Christmas to everyone, okay? So sa pandemya, kumbate yapon ta. O kato sang i-greet ang atong amahan sa lalawigan, laylayin kundi si Gobernador Bambi Imano. Boss, may ngapong kanimo na. O sa imong mga opisyalis, thank you also for helping our people of province of Misamis Oriental na kamag yun nagtimbayayong, no? Nga nangitag pamagi na di na kini mo spread kining virus nga COVID-19. So very thankful kita sa inyong efforts of time o very consistent yung mga planning, okay? O sa akong mga kwanday, ka-team na sa Golden Friendship FC, sa JFC. So, di na ako pagalangano, no? Our topic is about JFC, now and forever. Ano man, murag taas-taas siya ka-kuan karon. Before that, I'd like to greet our viewers nato dani si Annabel Sumanga. Annabel, good afternoon kanimo dana. Kang Ryan. Nabesay Ryan. May hapon kanimo dana. Kung sa kong pamilya usab mo, no? Love, Patrick MJ, good afternoon. Kita pa atong online karon. Of course, nalalain ko dili ang atong kampon, no? Atong Iligan Lanao Regional Football Association President, Sir Ike Olandesca, good afternoon. And also he's the Deputy Chairman for the grassroots of PFF, no? Philippine Football Federation grassroots, no? Sa gitawag nato karon nga TAD, unsa man ning TAD? Training Area Development Coaches nga usa puta nga napilian na nga mo train sa atong mga grassroots nga mga players na nasugdan na naman itong giaging simana na naka-online ta uban natong mga kadagkuan sa PFF grassroots program na si Coach Dave napod natong hinabi dito sa among webinar Zoom conference together with Coach Chippy Kalindog, and of course kaning si Coach Reggie Hirata nga mao gahatag og programa kung saan nato pag-enhance ang atong program sa TAD. o sa Training Area Development Program by RFA. Unsa man ni mga RFA paingon sa Region 1 o Region 2, 3, 4 padulong sa 13 including usab ang atong kuan na Region 10 ang Seymour pa usab no. So very thankful kita nga napod ang atong si Sir Ike Olandis ka nga maoy deputy chairman sa itawag nato grassroots TAD program. Very thankful ta Sir Ike, thank you very much for your the task that you handle and helping our children for this wonderful program na gihatag karon sa PFF or sa Philippine Football Federation. So atong kuan karon is about the Golden Friendship Football Club now and forever. So ato nang pagatukion karon kay I just received information from a very reliable source no na one of the officers from Semopa talk about the went or talk to someone there in PFF about the status of Golden Friendship FC to be disbanded. Or pag I really have no idea what is intention to disband, to disassemble this group. That's why I'm here as a head coach of the Golden Friendship FC. Now I just met with Mike Bantiles. Sir, may ngapong kanimo na o kay Sir Jack Biantan. We have a meeting that was I think 3 weeks ago. Then inviting me up to join the Simorpa with certain conditions which in my own point of view no I always told Sir Mike, I know Sir Mike your advocate leader, I've been telling you that not only once to twice, but if that the plan of having me there in Semopa and then pulling down the other team, I think the team what I'm mentioning of, I think for me, as I said to you, I will stand my position very strong. I will protect these children, the Golden Friendship Football Club, and including the Little Me Academy. Okay? No matter what happened. Why? Because these kids needs my help. They need me there in the pitch. And one thing, I'm not the one who built this team. These children, it's kaning mga player nato karon nga sila Kenneth Salcedo, shout out na siya. Yorong, pa-shout out ko. Yorong, si Yorong, shout out ko Coach Merlin. Yorong, may nga pong kanimuna na. O kay Kit Salcedo, Coach, pa-shout out ko kang Paulo Saldanya. Okay. Kit, may nga pong kanimuna na. O kay Wendy Alta Pader. Salamat sa pag-view sa o pag-watch atong OBN karon. Kay usa kay ni kay sugutanan, please send your comment kung gusto ba mo mga tangtangon ang JFC right now. Harry. Okay, Harry Kayag. Shout out mo tanan mga players kung unsay yung kuan. Ngayon ba tangtangon nato ang Golden Friendship FC? Send your comment now kung approve mo. Okay? Kang Windy, okay. Hi Coach. Okay, kay Windy Altapader. Yes. Good afternoon. Hi also Pan Windy. Kinsa pa? Dagan tayo ko kay Kenneth, kay Yoro, may hapon kaninyo tanan dana. Ato mga Golden Friendship players. Annabel Abihay. Good afternoon. Bats, akong batchmate. Good afternoon na Annabel, no? Sa atong mga batchmate sa 1992, may ngapong kaninyo tanan, labi na sa atong kapitan sa Pasan. Si Lieutenant Tom Summer, may ngapong kaninyo na kap. Okay? So, Ryan. Okay, I need you to say comments regarding sa gusto ba mo nga ilisan na nato ang Golden Friendship FC. Kay as I said no, balik ko na ako. Usa ko gipili sa usa ka TAD sa training area development as a coach. Kaso lang I was belong there in the side of the illegal Lanao Regional Football Association, which I told Sir Mike, the president of Semopa, it is my right. That is a right. Even the Golden Friendship FC has a right to play and to be part of the Semopa. Kusbon ako, dili lang ako ang namugna sa Golden Friendship Football Club. Kaning mga bata karon nga nasa kuan karon na naga-shout out og mga ginikanan usab, mga coaches usab. Coach Zamora, good afternoon kanimo na kang Coach Ryan, kang Coach Edwin sa Little Me Academy. Yes, my wife also is one of the coach of the sa girls, no? Okay, Ma'am Ram usab, kay Teacher Ram na sa Little Me Academy, kay Kira. O kay Sir Ike Landes ka nga usab po na nagtabang para ma-mold niya ang Golden Friendship FC. Why? Why the reason the Golden Friendship FC had been created? Para matabangan ning mga players nga matagag chance. Why? They love football soccer. And the problem is they cannot reach or attend the other club due to financial problem. The membership is too high. The other expenses, monthly dues is too high. However, here in Golden Friendship FC, we are very minimum. In fact, ang uban nako player, sige, ayaw lang sa bayre. Wala siya membership fee, wala sa mo monthly dues. Dana ko kakano, ka-very kakwan gitawag nato ka masinabtanon nga coach. Kaya akong kuan manggudan palisiya is to impart the children to develop the skill, to discipline the skill, to discipline the kids, to give guidance. Di lang sa eskulan. Kaya ingon ako, Sir Mike, I am Sir Jack, no? Mga players, I am also a professor. I'm a teacher of the college kolehiyo based pharmacy. I'm also itawag na to a focal person of kani. I like to impart this one. Focal person of Kaswagan BCPC a year ago. Unsa man ning BCPC karon? Tawag nato Barangay Council for Protection of Children, which under sa Republic Act 7610. So, ayaw ko magpadayon sunahan. Yes, Adora M. Dili angayan iban ang Golden Friendship FC kay daghan na natabangan na mga bata, labi na ang mga eskwelahan as well as pagdula sa soccer. Okay. Thank you. Kay Adora M mo. Kay kuan pa yun, kay Ryan. I'm supporting you, Coach Merlin, and the Golden Friendship FC. Dili iban ang Golden Friendship FC. Salamat kayo muna na, Ryan. O kay Yorong Sab, I'm supporting you, Coach Merlin, and to the Golden Friendship FC nga dili iban ang atong Golden Friendship FC. Yes, thank you very much, no? So, I'm very thankful kay Kahayag Usab. I'm supporting you, Coach Merlin. And to JFC, dili iban ang atong JFC. Thank you very much sana Kahayag o kay Yorong Usab. They're all supporting the JFC. Katong mga kwan, ignay yung mga parents, mga kauban sa Golden Friendship FC. To comment me para ma-record nato ni, para mapakita na ko ni dito sa PFF. Not only that I'm going to present all your comments that now we are live, no? Again, we are live not only in the Cagayan de Oro, not only in Visayas, Mindanao, but the entire Philippines, entire world. Kung na ay mga internet capabilities. Even the PFF, I will forwarding this conversation that we have na dili iba ang atong Golden Friendship FC. Why? Again, para ni sa inyong mga kabataan. In fact, kita nag-represent sa Cagayan de Oro dito sa Mindanao Cup Naghago mo, mga parents. Ato ta dito kadlawng dako, 5 ka adlaw. Natulog ta dito, pila tong tulog. 3 ka oras, dako na 4 ka oras, dula ta pagkabuntag, pahulay ta gabi. Tulog tag 3 ka oras, dula na punta. I know you worked hard to represent Cagayan de Oro. And now suddenly, you are being put into the blacklist o dili na imutang na dayon sa bag-o nato nga presidente sa Simopa nga tangtangon ng GFC. I don't think that's the right action, sir. I really don't think so. Okay? As again, I told you, sir, I will stand with these kids no matter what happened. I invite you in my program. I presented to you that the Golden Pepsi has a mission and vision. Kani mga players nako nga watch karon. Thank you very much for supporting the Golden Friendship FC. Dili lalim ang ilang agian dani. Mag-training ni sila ulan, init ugto sa pitch. Makasab-an pa sa uban nako mga coaches. Why? Because they love to play football. And that is their rights. Nana sa Republic Act 7610. The rights to play. Kung ato nang utro na ko basin ma-miss out ninyo ni mga inahan o Sir Mike, Sir Jack, i-review ninyo ang Republic Act 7610. Nasa focal person, no? Na ako gini siyang lantaw nga sa kaswagan pa ko nga dili ma-abuse ang right sa bata. Usa ka ng pagdula ang right sa bata. You are not targeting the Golden Friendship FC, but you are targeting the rights of the kids to play. Where in fact, these kids work hard. It's better to say thank you very much, Coach Merlin, sa mga players sa Golden Friendship Football Club nga kamo nagrepresenta sa Mindanao. Yadtong wala pa na nag-exist ang Simopa kay na ay cease to exist ang Simopa at that time. Kinsa among pananghiran at that time na wala man ang Simopa nga ga-exist at that time. Kinsa among dolon. Nag-represent me sa Iligan Ranao Regional Football Association para sa ilang game as a guest with permission with the PFF. What we did wrong? What we did wrong? Their kids represent Cagayan de Oro. They cried when they lose. They got injured. My God. In fact, they're in Mindanao Cup. Every time they lose, I feel the heartache, not only with the players, together with the parents itself. I feel the pain. I understood that they want to win because of the name of Cagayan de Oro. They represent Cagayan de Oro. They worked hard. Grabe nga paningkamot nila dito para lang makadalag trophy, para makarepresenta sa Cagayan de Oro. They come home with the trophy. Did the Simopa give them acknowledgement? Did the Simopa nagpasalamat ba? Salamat sa inyong mga Little Me Academy o Golden Friendship nga nagbalik mo gikan sa Davao sa Mindanao Cup, nagdala mong trophy. Dako kay among pangayok mo unta. But we heard nothing from you, guys. We heard nothing from you. That's the truth. I feel the pain, the heartache. Why? We're the one who represent Cagayan de Oro to give pride. Kung asa tanagikan. Sa wala pa ang Simopa na itabo, na-create. The Simopa has been approved a week ago, I think 2 weeks ago. And now you're putting the JAFC in the blacklist. I have all the records here. And me as a coach, no. If you're targeting me, target me. Do not include the JFC. JFC composed of children. And you are violating the rights of the children based on Republic Act 7610. Believe me, I will hit you hard with this Republic Act. If ever we going to the PFF Congress, basin, you already focuses the bylaws and rules and guidelines of PFF, but you miss out the Republic Act 7610, which I'm much familiar of this law. This is a criminal case in violating the rights of the children. I can go to the Congress. I can speak to them. The PPF Congress. If I'm giving a chance, believe me. Because I don't want these children be put onto waste. The hard work that they put on the Golden Fish FC for a year and a half. They train. I discipline them. The parents itself motivated the children. And now, without skipping a bit, you saying that you're going to disband or blacklist the JFC or even the Little Me Academy. We prepare for this. In fact, I coordinated the CSWD, Sir Alan. If ever we receive that written complaint from yours, then I will not say that I am right. No. Maybe the law can say. Only the law can say if I'm doing the right thing or who's the right thing. Is that the action that we made, putting the Golden Princip FC Football Club na i-disassemble, change with another name. We bring the Golden Princip FC with heart. We play with the Golden Princip with heart. Manuman. Ang Cagayan de Oro, the other name of Cagayan de Oro, even I always open this program. Cagayan de Oro is the Golden Princip FC. Golden Princip. Okay? From Wendell, we are just here, coach. We don't want the team to get banned. We want to fight for the JFC. See? Sir Mike, this is from our player, Wendy Pader. Wendy, thank you very much. I salute you guys sa Tanang Golden Princip FC. I hope I'm getting the message across with you. Sir Mike Banteles, I know you're a good person, but as I said before, some of the people that surrounds you putting negative words at you, and then you believe them suddenly without any proper. I don't know if how you've been convinced easily. You know that people. I know them. I would not say they are corrupt people. I would not say they are a snake or a crocodile. I never say that. But I believe you can distinguish the right person, the good person who's telling the right thing, or the person who just pretending to be at your side. But if you ask me again, I'm plain. As a crystal clear. I stand my point. Sometimes I feel intimidated with your question in my cell phone. It seems that you are threatening me in my point of view. We love football, soccer. I know that. But these children is our concern now. Okay? Adora Merlin, don't forget the scholars from Golden Princip FC player. Isa pa. Tungod sa Golden Princip Football Club, naka-provide mig scholar. Kato mga estudyante nga wala ang tao ikabayad dito sa eskwelahan. Tungod sa pagbugna sa Golden Friendship FC, sila nakaabil og scholar. Now tell me, whose other club naga-provide og scholar? There are some, there are few. But we, just 1 year, because of our precise program that I made together with other coaches, together with the Little Me Academy, Sir Ike Olandesca, Sir Ike, Teacher Ram, we make sure that this child is not only playing for football alone. We don't want that they are playing for football, sipa-sipa lang na nangawalay kaugmaon. We make sure to it that they play with heart, but they also have their education. Now, if you're going to stop or blacklist the Golden Friendship FC, you're also violating the rights of the children, not only the right to play, but also the right to learn, to study, to achieve education. I hope that I'm getting across clear, Sir Mike. Okay? Kanghani Grace Espena, nangapong kanimo Grace sa imong tanan player kay Cross Creslet o taga saan. Yes, hi coach, I'm supporting to you and the Golden Friendship FC na dili iban. Thank you very much. Honey Grace Espina, salamat kaninyong tanan. Gihago ninyo ni. Inyo ni siya nga team. This is not my team. I'm only just a coach to teach you how to do the things right in the field. To teach you to understand the game that you are playing. But the truth is, the Golden Friendship FC is not mine. It is yours. Sa tanan players na katatak na yung sinina, uniforme ninyo. We have a great start. When we lose, we cry together. Even the parents itself. Gabi atong hinilaka anak, mapilita. But we survive. Why? We survive. Why? Because we help one another. We teach one another. We understand one another. As what parents said, Coach Merlin, may pasay mo kay mga player, walay bangko. Yes. Tanawan ng uban club. Dagang kayo players na 18 kabok, nakadula 11 lang. Pero sa ako, I make sure to it, all players who sitting in the bench who must have time para makita po sa ilang mga ginikanan, ay, ito akong bata. Kaya kung ang parents gatanaw sa bata na they are happy, I'm a coach, I'm very happy to seeing their parents cheering their children. Now, ask me, Sir Mike, what did I do wrong? Is that wrong of helping these children? Is that wrong providing the scholarship program? Is that wrong that the children has been motivated, learning the right way to play soccer without hurting other players? Why? Because I emphasize them. We need not to win because we want the trophy or the medals. I always emphasize them. Even you ask my players, we need to gain more points than trophies. Understand the game. We lose together, we win together. I'm quite agitated right now. I'm sorry sa itong mga players, no? But I am here. We are live here on OBM. You can watch this replay soon. No matter what happened, Coach Merlin will stand beside you always. Even in front of you. No matter what happened. Di ko mabayran. Bala pagpakita mo sa ako sa kamilyon na nasa tubangan ako. I will not be along with the people whose plan ambition is blurred as a cloudy, means cloudy. Golden Friendship has a bright horizon. Not only we are teaching them in the football field, providing them the right education, but we also imparting them the spiritual value, holistic approach, spiritual, physical, mental, and character and attitude. Mo na ang mission sa Golden Friendship. Then what we did wrong? Why you're going to disband the Golden Friendship? Is that because of the mission ambition? Now, if you're going to send to me the copy, send it right now. If you want to call me right now. Explain to me. I have here the Republic Act 7610. I will tackle this later on. Okay? Jackie, Espiritu Yandong, we found friends and family sa Golden Friendship coach. Dili man me as good as the players from other teams, but we are grateful that the club give us the opportunity to be better. Dili lang unta iban kay sayang ang opportunities na pwede unta namo makuha. Okay, thank you very much, Jackie. Espiritu Yandang, may hapon. You see, sir, Mike, all the players saying they love the Golden Friendship FC compared to other club. They are not a good player. As I said by Jackie, dili sila mahing player, but they give them the chance to learn. Dili lang sa usa ka classroom. Dili lang sa usa ka gitawag nato na sa conference o mga seminars, but playing football, soccer, it the same with learning from schools. Because we as coach, I make sure that my players is learning something. We are one, win or lose. We imparting knowledge to everyone, not discouraging. Sir Loki, may nga pong kanimo na. So that's the Golden Friendship FC. Honey Grace. Yes, Honey Grace. Hi, Coach. So I'm supporting to you and the Golden Friendship. Nadili Iban. Thank you, Grace. So daghan at nga tabangan ang Golden Friendship FC. Sa mubo nga panahon, labaw na ka kung if you just give chance these kids, this team Golden Friendship Football Club, a longer time to be part of Simaw pa. Daghan ang makatuon o attend sa ilang gusto nga education nga gusto nila makabot. Iusbon ako ang Golden Friendship FC has a vision and mission. We are molding the children how to play in the football field, how to understand the game, and how to become a better person in the future. Dual. Skill, knowledge, education. Education, give goals in life. If you have financial problem, okay, you can play with the Golden Pigeon FC. And we're going to provide you with a scholarship program. Is that wrong? Why you're going to disband? Or I myself? Okay. Republic Act 7610. Okay. Harvey Kahayag. I'm supporting you, Coach Merlin and the Golden Friendship FC. Dili Iban. Thank you, sir. Salamat, Harvey. Ang CL Yorong, I'm supporting you, Coach Merlin. Dili Iban. Thank you. So, kani sila mga bata nga naa karon. I will going to present this one sa Philippine Football Federation. I know. Coach Dave, we have a conference through Zoom webinar. I even talked to Coach GP Kalindog and suggest something about the standard training modules of the TAD, the training area development, as a coach. Why? Because as I learned during that conference, their mission is the same with our mission and vision sa Golden Friendship FC, to develop the children, their skill on how to play, on how to understand the football soccer. Now, if you're going to ban, ang tango nimo, it's just like you are violating their rights. The program been provided by the grassroots to develop the skill of the children on how to play, on how to understand the game of football soccer. Iban nimo ang Golden Friendship FC because of me. Pila ka players na ang mapiktuhan. Pila ka eskulahan. Mga players, Mugs, City High School, Liceo de Cagayan University, International School, Little Me Academy, Kaswagan National High School, Umbong Elementary High School, West City Central High School, Mary Child School, El Salvador, City Central School, there are 10 schools. Wala pala ko na nakuha ng uban. Now, is that the right thing to do? I don't know what is the reason why you hated the Golden Friendship FC. In fact, sir, you should thank them because they represent the Golden Friendship. They represent the Cagayan de Oro during the Mindanao Cup. They represent the Cagayan de Oro during the Ligandanao Regional Football Association has a guest. And other local games. Del Monte Cup, Rosebel Cup, Monte Carlo, their children need guidance. These children need someone to teach them how to play soccer. These children and players need education. Are you willing to be their coach? Because if you want to, I will give you the Golden Friendship FC. These children love to play. I'm with them. I've been with them for 1 year and a half. We struggle so hard, but we always find a way. Because as I said, the approach of this Golden Friendship Football Club is holistic approach. I'm not focusing how many trophies or medals that we had. I'm focusing their education and knowledge. They can see me every time we play. They're in the pitch. I've been with them for a year and a half. We cried because we lose. We cried because we succeed. We win the game. We won the game. Together with the parents itself. Mga ginikanan. O, kamo mga players, pag-shout out pa mo kung saan yung gusto may tabo. But again, I will stick with Golden Friendship Football Club no matter what. Also with the Little Me Academy. Sir Mike, you always told me, is that final? Yes. Now, I'm telling you. I don't want to be put in the spotlight. There are better coach than there are lots of great coach or better coach than compared to me. Daghan na mga coaches mas maayo pa sa ako. Why hire them? Go with them. I know they will going to support you. Just respects my right. That's all I want. I love my players no matter what. I've been with them a half and a year is not tawag na to dili na tiaw nga nakauban nimo ang mga bata sa katuig o tunga kung wala pa na COVID-19 padayon na nga mong pagdula na sa pitch sa sports center man o dito man sa mga silingan nato nga mga lugar sa Iligan man sa Bukidnon man. In fact, we are preparing for the Series Cup in Cebu at that time kung wala pa ang COVID-19. We are presenting also the Cagayan de Oro. I train my players to prepare for the Series Cup for Cagayan de Oro, to present Cagayan de Oro. Did the Golden Friendship Football Club ask financial support? No, we didn't. Because at that time, the Simopa did not exist yet. Florence Spade, Bernas, good afternoon sa mga Juan, Faith, Ayan, yes. Please comments mo. Kung gusto niyo iban ang Golden Friendship Football Club. This is your team. This is not my team. This is your family. You learn from Golden Friendship FC. You gain lots of friends. Again, not trophies or medals. I love to see you there playing in the pitch. You bringing the Golden Friendship representing Cagayan de Oro together with your parents. Nagdula na sa pila ka mga tournament. I watch you there heartily. I understand you. That's why every time I caught you na masayop mo, I didn't shout you there. I call your attention. I talk to you. This is what you're gonna do. Especially Ayan. Good afternoon na Ayan. Cancel Yorong. please be ready for our coaches, parents, and players for Golden Friendship FC meeting. Okay. Thank you sa reminders. Yorong, Marius, Galon, Benedict Galon. Good afternoon na muna. Marius, please comments kung gusto ba mo iba na nato ang Golden Friendship FC. Si El Yorong again. I'm supporting you, Coach Merlin. Ayan. Luat. Golden Friendship FC is one of the football club in Cagayan de Oro in 2019. And all the coaches, parents, staffs, and players will support this football club. Win or lose, we are team. Thank you very much, Sayan. Muna itong moto. So you see, Sir Mike Bantiles, they are here supporting the Golden Friendship FC. They're coming from different school. Dili ilang usa na ka school. Again, I mentioned to you, there are 10 schools. Ganan, they love Golden Friendship Football Club. Why? Because open. Friendly ang mga players dana. Wala mi nang dula para sinumbaga dito nga mudaog ni. I always taught them to be calm, to accept defeat. What the important thing is, you win as a team. Yes, ayan. Good afternoon, Coach. Yes. Good afternoon too. Ayan. So dagan is sila mga igo sa Republic Act 7610. If ever you blacklist o ban this Golden Friendship or even the Little Me, balik ta sa Republic Act 7610. This is an overview. Republic Act 7610. Special Protection of Children Against Abuse, Exploitation, and Discrimination Act. If you not allow the Golden Friendship FC, is an act of discriminating the player itself, the children itself, and then you are the violation of Republic Act 7610. RA 7610 again. An act providing for strong deterrence and special protection against children, against abuse, exploitation, discrimination, providing penalties for each violation and for the other purposes. Crystal clear ito na. Providing penalties. Yes, I believe the FF also have bylaws. But this is Republic Act created by Republic Act of the Philippines. Imbangon nato na. Let's wait the Republic Act and the bylaws of the PEE, Simorfa. Because I was really intimidated what you text to me. But I'm not afraid. I just feel intimidated. Okay? And again, I stand firm to protect the rights of children under the Golden Friendship FC and the Little Me Academy. No matter what it may be. Section 1, Republic Act 7610. This act shall be known as the Special Protection of Children Against Abuse, Exploitation, and Discrimination Act. Balikon ako. Not allowing the Golden Friendship Football Club to be part of the SIMOPA is a discrimination act. punishable by law under the Republic Act 7610. Section 2. Declaration of state policy and principles. It is hereby declared to be the policy of the state to provide special protection to children from all forms of abuse, neglect, cruelty, exploitation, and discrimination, and other condition prejudicial their development. Klaro tada na. Sa atong training area development, we are developing the skill of children to be a better player one day. To understand the game. Now, this is part also of the Republic Act 7610 to develop the child skills or knowledge. The same with PFF. Let's continue. Provide sanction for their commission and carry out programs for prevention and deterrence of and crisis intervention in situation of child abuse, exploitation, and discrimination. The state shall intervene. Okay, muna ni karon. The state shall intervene on behalf of the children when the parent, guardian, teacher, or person having care of or custody of the child fails or is unable to protect the children against unsa galing to abuse, exploitation, and discrimination. And when such act against this child are committed by the said person, then this is punishable by law. It shall be the policy of the state to protect and rehabilitate the children gravely threatened or endangered by circumstances which affect or will affect their survival and normal development and over which they have no control. If you stop the Golden Friendship Football Club, then you are violating the Republic Act 7610. And also the Philippine Football Federation Training Area Development. Why? Because of me? Why? Because I want to coach there in Iligan Lanao Regional Football Association compared to Simopa. I'm not against of the program. The program is already there in the PFF. All you have to do is to follow the program. Sir Dave, or Coach Sir Dave, the chairman, and Sir Ike Olandesca, the deputy chair, already had the program. In fact, I suggested there there must be a standard training modules para kitang tanan sa IFA o sara nga tong strategy, database sa skills, pag-develop sa kapasidad sa usa ka player. Kay I know every coaches have different strategy and skills on how to train the players or the kids in the pitch. That's why when we have there in the conference with the Coach Rigi Hirata, I heartily suggest Coach Rigi, Coach Dave, Coach Chippy, Coach Sir Ike Landeska, can we have the standard training module? Then Coach Rigi Hirata, yes, I will make standard training modules for all of the RFAs. Para kita tanan, magkausa nga itong training pagtuon sa bata. Okay, from Kate Salcedo, unta dili kay tungod sa Golden Friendship og ni Coach Merlin nakabalik ko Little Me Academy. Yes. Tungod kay Coach Merlin ug sa Golden Friendship FC nakabalik siya sa Little Me Academy. Yes, the story of Kate Salcedo is eskwela sa Mugs. Kate is a good player. Public na siya. Sa Mugs siya, ng taon dito, nagsipa-sipa, walay gadol sila ng mga players. Then, hindi naman siya balik sa Little Me tungod sa financial problem yung mga ginikanan. Eskwela siya public. Then nakita na ko si Kate. He's a good player. Then I talked to Sir Ike Lanisca, sir. Pwede na ito ma-opera no si Kate o scholarship. Without question, without hesitation, Sir Ike, okay, it's your coach decision. I will help Kate Salcedo. Ana, sa Golden Friendship FC. Yung pagkapanawag pa ko, kinsa ito gusto magpa-enroll. Grade 11, grade 10, grade 12. You are free in tuition. Scholarship, full scholar. Through Golden Friendship FC, may eskwela mo, libre. Galing lang na timingan sa COVID-19, pero wala na-stop ang scholar. Kaya nagpadayon man ang online sa Little Me Academy. Sakto na si Kit. Uban mga players. Kabalo ko, naba na mga coach na to, si Coach Justin. Na-offer niya pa nag full scholarship program, si Coach Crislet. Uban na to mga player nga wala nakita ang mga skill dito pa sila sa district meet. Di na ko nganlan, kabalon mga parents na nga I will give chance to your child to know their skill. Kung asa sila, dili sila pwede mag-attacker, okay, ibutang na ko dito sa defender. Kung dili sila pwede mag-defender, ibutang ko sa attacker. Kung hindi sa pagka-goalkeeper, I will find a way na there must be a position that fitted to them. Not forcing to play unsa nga position gusto nako, no. I want them to play kung unsa ilang position nga gusto. Understand? Now, if ever they really not qualified because of I don't want to endanger my player or put them in the unsafe situation, I advise them, this is what you're gonna do. Right now, I want you to play in this position. Later on, if you know the routine, then I will put you there in the other position that you like. But first, you listen. Anak ni mga coach. Kabalo si Coach Zamora na. Kabalo si Coach Edwin. Kabalo si Coach Ryan. Kabalo si Coach Jonathan. Si Coach Rara. Si Coach Harvey. As I said, the program I had, I assigned one coach for defensive coach. I assigned one coach for the offensive coach, and assigned one coach for to train the goalkeeper. I make a play. Then we make collaboration, evaluation. Kinsa to ibutang na ni coach? Defensive man ka, sa ibutang to sa right, sa left. Siya tong midfielder. Attacker, coach at ikaman sa attacker. So we plan. Dili namin pwede nga, okay, play ka, dola ka, o dola ko coach. So sige, dito ka attacker, no? Why? If that our decision, we putting the children in the unsafe and in danger. We put the life of the children in danger during the game. I always tell to my players, play the game with your heart. Be safe. Before and after the game, always we pray. God first. Then why? Sir Mike, you're going to blacklist the Golden Friendship FC. Again, I have a Republic Act 7610. We both providing the development of children. I've been telling you, Sir Mike, we live with the same dreams. But right now, I don't think so. I stand firm again. If you ask me how many times, I will say, I will stick with my players, Golden Friendship FC and Little Me Academy. Sa mga parents sa Golden Friendship Football Club, I'm very thankful sa inyong pagsuporta. Kanunayon sa atong sa atong group chat. My wife, Adora, my two children, MJ and Patrick, my players. I like to mention you all, Ayan, Kit, Yorong, Marius, Benedict. Yes, Faith Pernas, Harvey Kayag, Jackie, Yandog, Honey Grace Espinosa, Martin J, Martin John, Merlin, Patrick Merlin, Wendy, Pader, Ryan Nabeses, Darren, kang Isoy Datahan, Coach Edwin, Coach Amora, Coach Jonathan, Coach Ryan, ug sa atong kay Sir Alan no, sa CSWD, ug kang Doc Daba sa DSWD sa protection. Siya may kuan ka chairman karon sa itawag na to DSWD. So I've been quite, I'm not angry with anyone. This is me, Coach Merlin, protecting the rights of the children through football soccer. So, no matter what, Golden Friendship Football Club will prevail now and forever. Thank you very much. Sa tumayso na assalamualaikum. Sa atong mga coaches, kang sa atong PFF TAD Chairman, Coach Dave, kang Deputy Chairman sa Training Area Development Program, Sir Aiko Landeska, thank you very much. Sa kang Coach Reggie Hirata o sa tanan coaches no na nahimamat nato dito sa Zoom sa TAD Training Program. We'll be seeing soon enough. Again, I'm very thankful sa tanang players karon, mga parents. This is Coach Merlin again. I will stand firm no matter what. God bless us all. Thank you again.